Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing ambiguity. Power the calculator and verify batteries. Low voltage causes weird results. Once on, check the mode. Degrees versus radians matters, so set the correct one now. Make sure contrast and backlight are readable, then clear memory to remove leftover variables that corrupt calculations. You need the manual or model number at hand because menu names differ. Do these steps first so subsequent checks test the device, not old settings or drained power, then move to function tests. Once done with setup, run a small test suite to isolate problems. Start with simple arithmetic and compare to a known correct result. This verifies core processing. Next, test parentheses and order of operations, enter nested expressions to confirm precedence behaves as expected. Then move to scientific keys, trig in the set angle unit, logs and exponentials, and any statistical or matrix routines you use. Make sure constants like pi return accurate digits. Mismatches point to mode errors or firmware issues. You finish by applying precise fixes. Change the wrong mode, correct variable assignments, and update constants. If a specific key misbehaves, rebind or remap per the manual. If multiple functions fail, perform a factory reset only after backing up programs. After changes, rerun the earlier tests to confirm results match expected values. If problems persist, swap the battery or check for physical damage. Troubleshooting tip: when results remain inconsistent, a controlled reset plus fresh batteries eliminates most intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.